Coalition in Contention, DA pursues legal action against ANC over election speech, by Satori News. The Democratic Alliance, DA, one of South Africa's major political parties, intensified political rifts within the country's coalition government by filing a lawsuit against the African National Congress, ANC, over a controversial election speech delivered by President Cyril Ramaphosa. President Ramaphosa, who is also the leader of the ANC, is accused by the DA of blurring the line between state and party during a pre-election address 3 days before the national elections on May 29th. The opposition party, now a coalition partner, argues that Ramaphosa's speech unlawfully promoted his party's achievements, claiming this was a misuse of his official capacity and public resources for electoral gain. The DA has presented its case to the Electoral Court and is seeking a penalty against the ANC, including a reduction of 1% of the total vote share received by the ruling party and an imposed fine of $10,900 on President Ramaphosa and $5,450 on the ANC. The heart of the DA's case relies on the principle that government officials, particularly during an election period, should not engage in partisan campaigns while delivering state functions. In response to the DA's legal action, the ANC rebuked the allegations as frivolous and unwarranted, upholding that the president adhered to constitutional protocols during the address in question. The move to pursue the case, originally filed before the formation of the current coalition, demonstrates the persisting tensions between the two parties despite their decision to govern jointly. The ANC suffered a historic dent in their stronghold over South African politics in the recent elections, securing only 40% of the vote, a sharp contrast to its period of dominance since the fall of apartheid in 1994. Consequently, a coalition government became the country's only recourse, resulting in a unique government of national unity, consisting of 7 political parties with the DA, holding a 21% vote share, as a significant partner despite its record as a formidable opponent to the ANC. The case presented by the DA not only casts a spotlight on South Africa's evolving political landscape, but also puts to test the durability of the coalition government, bringing into focus the country's maturing democracy and the ongoing negotiations that straddle governance and political competition. Whether the union between the historically oppositional DA and ANC can withstand such legal challenges and maintain a harmonious front is closely watched by citizens and political analysts alike. The outcome of this case may have implications for future inter-party relations and set precedents for the conduct of public officials during election periods in South Africa. Thank you for choosing Satori News.